I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Today I will share with you the command of beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to show kindness to every living thing. That is kindness to animals. That is the Islamic way of slaughter. Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar narrates, beloved Prophet said that sharpen your knives, cut it very fast so that the animal does not feel pain. Hazrat Abu Yala narrated, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that show kindness to animal. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that you should be kind to each and every living thing. At the same time, there is a proficiency and kindness in each and every act of beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and he propagated the same thing among his companions. It is said that sharpen the knife, don't sharpen the knife in front of the animal, don't show the knife to the animal, don't slaughter the animal in front of another animal, hide the knife, sharpen the knife. At the same time, you should slaughter in such a way that the animal does not get a pain. Now, I will tell you the Islamic way of dhibh, Islamic way of slaughtering. First of all, the throat and the liba, between the throat and liba is cut. Liba is nothing but head bone of the breast. It is said that these three parts should be cut first, that is the gullet, esophagus, the windpipe and the jugular vein. So, first you cut the windpipe, then you cut the neck part, that is said to be the esophagus, and then you cut the jugular vein. While putting your one of the leg on the neck on which both the sides the jugular vein is there, so that when it is pressed, then the animal will become unconscious. And in that unconscious state, when you are moving your knife, the animal will not feel any pain. So, first of all, remember the windpipe gets cut, and then the esophagus, and then the jugular veins. In this case, what happens? The connection to the brain is still there, the blood is flowing. Otherwise, the animal will have a cardiac arrest if all of them is cut at once. That is called jhatka, that is called haram. So, here in this case, when you cut all these three parts, that is the windpipe, the esophagus, the two jugular veins, you might have seen the animal thrashes its leg as well as it convulges. It is done research by scientists that the animal shakes its fore and hind limbs. It is not because of the pain, it is because the brain sends stimulants, brain sends signals to the spinal cord and to the heart. So, by that way its entire blood gets pumped out and there is no stagnancy of the blood inside the body of that slaughtered animal, because if blood is stagnant over there, if blood is clotted over there, then it will be good media for microorganisms. It will spoil the flesh. Very often you might have seen, if you cut at once, after some time the flesh becomes blackish in color because of the clot of the blood. So, therefore, it is very hygienic to drain out entire blood slowly, and unconscious way in unconscious way the animal does not feel any pain and the animal dies. Beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, said that do not cut any part of the body of the slaughtered animal unless until it completely dies. So, dear friend, the hind limb and forelimb, the thrashing of leg of the slaughtered animal and convulsion is because of the blood coming out and the transmission of the signal from brain to spinal cord to the heart. So, by this way, Vibha way, when it is done, the animal does not feel pain. At the same time, the flesh remains fresh for a longer time because entire blood is drained out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.